Well, ladies and gentlemen, today's Friday on the 24th of July, and this is Love Southwest Airlines. As you can see, it has formed a beautiful triangle right here. We expected this to break through this triangle, come back, retest this level, and then continue this push upwards. Based on the fact that things are getting better in terms of vaccines, and once we have good vaccine news coming up, and people get comfortable traveling between 12 and 24 months, all things being equal, we expect this market to continue to pre-pandemic level, that is $60 a pop. And so for those of you who have portfolios, you want to add this to your portfolio, as you can see that it is supporting this trend line right here. And so we expect this to be the bottom. Even if you break through this triangle, we don't expect this to go anything further. So it is a good thing to add this to your portfolio and hold it for a long period of time. You buy it at 32, 30 level, right? And then you're expecting it to sell it if you want $60 a pop in about 24 months or less. Okay? So this is my prediction. I hope this helps. Happy trading. I'll see you next time.